Welcome back to Innoven Foods. Today we are making a deliciously comforting and creamy dessert. A perfect blend of sago and vermicelli in a rich milk base. First soak half cup sago or tapioca pearl for 10 minutes. Soak sago properly to avoid clumping during cooking. Vermicelli desserts are popular across South Asia and the Middle East. Take 3 tablespoons cashew nuts and roast in 1 teaspoon ghee for 30 seconds. This dish is often served during festivals like Ramadan, Eid, and Diwali. Keep them aside for later. Sago pearls are made from tapioca starch. Boil 2 cups of water in a pan. Then add the soaked sago. Cook until they turn transparent. Now add 1/4 cup vermicelli. Add 2 cups of milk. Use full-fat milk for a creamier consistency. Stir continuously after adding milk to prevent sticking at the bottom. Take 7 to 8 soaked almonds. Peel and blend until smooth. Pour the almond paste into the milk. Add half cup sugar. Add sugar after the sago is cooked to retain the right texture. Stir well. And boil everything together for 2 to 3 minutes until the milk thickens beautifully. It's so versatile, you can add fruits, dry fruits, or even saffron for more richness. Almond paste adds natural protein and healthy fats. Sago is a quick energy booster, great after fasting. Vermicelli adds mild carbs, making it a fulfilling dessert. Milk provides calcium and creaminess in one go. Finally, top it off with those roasted cashews. Your Sabu Sevaiyan dessert is ready to enjoy, warm or chilled. Have you ever made sago and vermicelli together before? Which toppings would you add? Saffron, raisin, or chopped dates? Like and share this recipe if you want more traditional dessert ideas. Thanks for watching Innoven Foods. Stay connected for more easy and tasty homemade recipes.